Hi friends, I'm Kidisvi and today I am back with a new video. We all know Mother's Day is coming, so I made this beautiful scrapbook for my mom. Before watching the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of more amazing videos. So this is our scrapbook. The first page is of photos. The second page is of a napkin full card. We have an envelope and many quotes in this card. See how beautiful the card looks. For making it, I am using one origami paper and a circle which measures radius 6 and stick it. Then take one photo of you with your mother and stick it. Then I am showing you how to make a flower. Just make curved line after folding the paper and cut it. The beautiful flower is ready. Using punching machine, just bring a small yellow dot and stick it. Then stick this flower at that paper and a leaf with it. Then I have this glitter foam sheet, cut it in the shape of MOM, mom, and then stick it. Then take the second craft paper, which is the second page, and here I have 10.5 and 9 centimeter paper and just cut it from between, and then stick one picture with the help of masking tape and glue. And then write whatever you want to write about your mom. I wrote beautiful mommy. And then stick it and stick two small flowers. Then take the second paper and here I have a small paper and I am making a napkin fold card. And the napkin fold card is ready. Now stick paper at the sides and then stick the napkin fold card at the paper and then write Happy Mother's Day. And then the last paper. Now let us make an envelope. And I have took a part of satin ribbon, one picture and 4 small hearts. Now stick the picture with the satin ribbon with the help of glue and masking tape and then use 3 hearts. Stick it with the help of masking tape. You can also use glue to stick it. And then write You Are the Best. And then with the transparent tape just stick it in the envelope. So whenever you open it, you can see that. And then gently keep them all in the envelope. Here I have a flower. You can also use flower. I am using the heart shape and then I have sticked it. And then stick this envelope in the paper. And then write a quote for your mother. Or else you can also stick a photo. And then stick the flower over there. Then here we have all the pages ready. Now let us decorate their back sides. Take one picture and then trace it. Now with the black sketch pen make small lines and then stick the picture. And then write a quote for your mom. Here I have 3 hearts, you can stick that. Now let's decorate the second page. Trace the picture and then make the lines with the sketch pen again. And now you can stick the picture. And then again write something for your mother. Here I have a flower, let us stick that. So now all the pages are ready. Now with the help of punching machine, just punch it, all the pages. And now with the help of the satin ribbon, just attach it like a book and then tie it. Make a bow from at the second hole also tie it. And a beautiful scrapbook is ready.